So here, if point A x comma 2, point B minus 3 comma minus 4, and point C 7 comma minus 5 are collinear, which means if they lie in the same line, then find the value of x. Here are the four options, and here is the sample figure of the above question. So if point A, point B, and point C are collinear, which means if they lie in the same line, then the angle of the triangle formed by these 3 points A, B, and C would be equals to 0. So, and we have only a single unknown variable x. So by using the area of triangle equation, we can find the value of x. So let's see the solution. Yes, three given points are collinear, then the area of triangle would be equals to 0. Here is the formula of triangle: half x1 into y2 minus y1, y2 minus y3, plus x2 into y3 minus y1, plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equals to 0. Here are the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Putting these values in the equation, we will get this. On solving it further, we will get this, which comes to be x plus 21 plus 42 equals to 0. So x plus 63 equals to 0. So finally it becomes x equals to minus 63 for the 3 points A, B, and C to be collinear. So the value of x is minus 63, and the correct option would be option A.